This is the continuation of our lesson in evaluating functions. As a review, evaluating functions pertains to the calculation of the value of y from the given value of x. Example, we have the function of x equals 4x squared minus 5x plus 3. Evaluate the following: f of 5, f of 1/4, f of 0, f of the square root of 2 over 2, and f of x plus 1. Sample number 1. F of x equals 4x squared minus 5x plus 3. Evaluate f of 5. First, we will replace x with the value of 5. F of 5 equals 4 times 5 to the second power minus 5 times 5 plus 3. And then solve by applying the concept of PEMDAS. PEMDAS pertains to parentheses and exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. We will evaluate first 5 to the second power. 5 to the second power pertains to 5 times 5. The exponent of 2 refer to the times that 5 will be multiplied to itself. So therefore, 5 will be multiplied to itself 2 times. 5 times 5 equals 25. Four times 25 minus 5 times 5 is 25, and then copy plus 3. 4 times 25 is equals to 100 minus 25 plus 3. Then 100 minus 25 is equals to 75 plus 3. And the final answer is 78. Example number 2. F of x is equals to 4x squared minus 5x plus 3. Again, the first procedure is to substitute 1/4 to x. So we have f of 1/4 is equals to 4 times 1 over 4 to the second power minus 5 times 1/4 plus 3. We will apply again the concept of PEMDAS. We will do first the exponent. 1/4 to the second power pertains to 1/4 times 1/4. So we will multiply both of the numerator. 1 times 1 is 1, and both of the denominator, 4 times 4 is 16. So we have 1 over 16. Next part, we have 4 times 1 over 16 minus multiply 5 times 1/4. So we have 5 times 1 and 5, and copy 4. So we have 5 over 4. Then copy plus 3. 4 times 1. So we have 4. And then copy 16. So we have here 4 times 1. So that is 4. Then we will copy 16. And then reduce the lowest term. So that will be equals to 1 over 4. So we have 1 over 4 here. Then copy minus 5 over 4. And copy plus 3. 1 over 4 minus 5 over 4 are similar fractions. So we will subtract the numerator, and then we will copy the denominator. So that is equals to 1 minus 5, we have negative 4, and then copy the denominator 4. Negative 4 over 4 is equals to negative 1. So we have negative 1 and then copy plus 3. So negative 1 plus 3. The final answer is 2. Example number 3. So we have 4x squared minus 5x plus 3. Evaluate the f of 0. So again, we need to substitute 0 to x. So we have 0, 4 times 0, 5 times 0, and then plus 3. 0 to the second power is equals to 0. So we have 5 times 0, that is 0, and then plus 3. 4 times 0 is 0, minus 0 plus 3. So the final answer is 3. 4. 4x squared minus 5x plus 3. Evaluate the f of square root of 2 over 2. So in this given example, we have a radical symbol. Substitute the square root of 2 over 2 to x. So we have f of square root of 2 over 2 equals 4 times square root of 2 over 2 to the second power minus 5 times square root of 2 over 2 plus 3. Again, we will apply PEMDAS, so we will evaluate first the operation with an exponent. Square root of 2 over 2 to the second power is equals to square root of 2 over 2 multiplied to itself. So we have square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is square root of 4. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. And then 2 times 2 in the denominator is also equals to 4. Square root of 4 is equals to 2. And then copy 4. So we have 2 over 4, reduce to lowest term, that is 1/2. Okay, so we have 2. So 2 came from 4 multiplied by 1/2. So 4 times 1 is equals to 4. And then divided by 2. So we arrive now at 2. Then copy negative 5 times square root of 2. So they are dissimilar terms, so we'll just copy 5 and the square root of 2 as the variable. Over 2, copy the denominator, and then plus 3. And then combine similar terms, so 2 and 3 are similar terms because these are terms without variable. So 2 and 3. So therefore, we'll just copy negative 5 and square root of 2, negative 5 square root of 2 over 2 plus 5. So 5 came from the addition of 2 plus 3. Example number 5. F of x is equals to 4x squared minus 5x plus 3. Evaluate the f of x plus 1. So again, we need to substitute x plus 1 to x. 4. So we have function of x plus 1 is equals to 4 times x plus 1 to the second power minus 5 times x plus 1 plus 3. So we remove x and we replace it with x plus 1. Again, we need to apply the PEMDAS. So we will evaluate first x plus 1 to the second power. X plus 1 to the second power is equals to x plus 1 times x plus 1. In this given problem, we will apply the FOIL method. FOIL pertains to first, outer, inner, and then last. So that is the procedure in multiplying a binomial to another binomial. So we'll have the F. Okay, so we have x times x, first term, multiplied by first term. So we have x squared. O, outer term, x multiplied by another outer term. So we have x times 1, we have 1x or simply x. I, inner term, 1 times x, that is 1x also, or simply x again. And then last, we have the L, the last term, x, or 1 times 1. So we have 1. And then we will combine similar terms. So x and x are similar. So x plus x can be added, and it will give us 2x plus 1. So therefore, x plus 1 to the second power is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 5 times x plus 1 plus 3. Then we will follow the distributive property of multiplication. So 4 will be multiplied to x squared, 4 times 2x, and 4 times 1. 4 times x squared is equals to 4x squared. 4 times 2x is equals to 8x. And 4 times 1 is equals to 4. And then another distributive property, 5 times x, 5 times 1. Negative 5 times x is equals to negative 5x. Negative 5 times positive 1 is equals to negative 5. And then plus 3. Copy plus 3. And then combine similar terms. 4x squared, copy. 8x and negative 5x are similar. So we will have 8 minus 5, and that will become 3x. And then 4 and negative 5 and 3 are similar. So we have 4 minus 5, negative 1. Then plus 3, we have negative 2. This should be positive. So 4 minus 5 is equals to negative 1 plus 3. So we have now positive 2. So this is positive 2. So the final answer is 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. Let's sum up. So these are the procedure in evaluating function. So first, we need to substitute the value of x to the given function in order for us to determine the value of y, or also known as the function of x. And then apply PEMDAS. So do first the operation having parentheses and exponent, followed by multiplication and division. And then lastly, we have addition and subtraction. So these are the two procedures in evaluating a function.